brilliant students. Hope everyone is doing well. Actually, we are today's class is on designing and floor plan. We're going to start in AutoCAD, and then we will shift to Revit. Okay, so it's going to be a more or less practice class. Just see how I go through, and then we can move on from there. I think I have added an extra room. Doesn't come on. I was playing with Revit this morning, so you know. You want to erase the source? No. Copy from here to here. Okay. So we've done the floor plan. We need to do the interior. So this is the exterior wall. We will do the interior wall now. Okay. Just a minute. Sorry. Okay. Let's start. Okay, let's do everything. Yeah. So where were we? We are 200 millimeter from this edge. So talking about this edge, what we can do is we can draw a straight line from here to here. Okay, this is just as a reference. Okay. So he said that we need to draw a line. Okay. From where? This one. Okay. We're going down. How much? 0, comma, minus 200. And then we're going side 270. Okay. And height he has not given. Okay. This guy goes down 700. Just a minute. Here we go. Yeah, so this is 200. Then we said 700. Offset. then we have another one which is 400. I'll give you the dimensions of the drawing, okay, so you don't take stress about it. We need that one to be here, and we're just gonna trim this, and we're gonna just trim this, not possible, but okay. We can draw another line. How wide this is? This is 300 millimeter. 300, and this has to, we don't need this, right? This has to be 270. It is 270. Beautiful. Okay. This is 300. We need another one, 400. 540. Draw a line. How much is it? 400. Okay, and then offset 540. I'll give you the dimension map in the what we can do is fillet this guy with this guy, okay? And we need a gap of 300. So what we can do is draw a line here. Is not really okay. We have another one. So it's an offset 516 here. Sorry. Beautiful. Okay. Then we need to trim, but we need this one to be 165 on one edge. So as an offset 165. Just be careful when you do offset, especially offset. Okay. Offset, and then then you do trim. Remember the whole line. So what I would do is just, we don't need that. So we just bring this one this much. Okay. We can trim this one. Okay. We can bring this one this way. So we are saying dimensions from here to here should be 1 perpendicular. 165. Beautiful. Okay, from here to here should be 516. I do not know why I have not on the perpendicular dimension. Sorry, here, perpendicular. Okay, beautiful. We don't need this one. We just needed that cut. In between 2 points, this point and that point, done. Do you want to raise? Yes, it will help me to rub that on. Trim this one. Okay. So we've done a wall which is going this way. Okay, we've done that. We just need to finish this part of the wall. Okay, yeah, happy? Yeah. And then we need to wall between these two. Let's say we will draw a line from here to here, and this is 25. Okay, we've done the then we want to draw a shaft. That's not one. A vent, I would say. Sorry. Okay, so rectangle, we need it to be 65. Okay, what we can do is we need to draw a rectangle, right? Yes. From where? From here, 310 millimeters going up. So, point going up, right? Yes. How much? 310. Okay, don't worry. Dimensions 65 is the length. We need this side. Done. Okay, and then we need the same side. The same. But I think you understood that this is one toilet, the other toilet. Okay. I think we've done the floor plan. Maybe we will do the partitioning here. I think we will do the remaining partitioning in Revit. Okay. So this is the AutoCAD drawing, a floor plan, I would say. We will import this into Revit. Okay, and then draw the walls on that. Just trace the wall. It will be very easy to do that. Okay. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful short class. We will see each other in the next class.